The thought of falling into a black hole is something that, at least to me, is one of the most horrifying things I can think of. But when it comes to weird things in our universe, planets simply cannot compete with the fear that I feel for black holes. Melanoheliophobia is the fear of black holes. I definitely have this fear. The thought of falling into a black hole is something that, at least to me, is one of the most horrifying things I can think of. On top of that, the sheer size that some of these black holes can get to is crazy, and plays into my fear of them. This is Ton 618, the largest black hole we have ever observed. This monster is 66 billion, yes, billion with a B, times larger than our own sun. So it's surprising to find out that 11 solar systems can fit side by side inside of Ton 618. I don't care if you don't have astrophobia or megalophobia, but that is still a terrifying thought. All of this combined makes black holes insanely terrifying and intimidating to me. Black holes are the scariest object in the universe, mostly because they're just so confusing. We know close to nothing about them, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape their pull. They're so fascinating, yet so horrifying. Something that scares me even more than that is what happens when you fall into a black hole. If you fell into a regular black hole, you would die almost instantly. However, if you fell into a supermassive black hole, you wouldn't die at first. You would instead fall into eternal darkness for a few hours and then die. But as this happens, due to time dilation, time gets so warped when you're in a black hole, the entire life cycle of the universe goes by while you fall. Everyone you love, humanity, nay, reality itself, would be gone in a matter of hours. You would travel to the end of the universe and never come back.